Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to test easy way to dishwasher circulation pump. This circulation pump removed from Frigidaire dishwasher model Johnson 154574701. Okay, this particular circulation pump, how to check to this easy way. I have a jumper starter, 12 volts jumper starter, and I'm using this metal needles. And what you're gonna do? Okay, one is going to clip red side, other one going to clip black side, like that. Then get the circulation pump, and one side going to inside, one side going to this side and other side going to this side. All right, like that. This side going to this side. Oh, I had turned on, my bad. There we go. All right, now you can see that pump is working properly. All right, guys, that's the way how to test easy way your circulation pump with the jumper starter. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day.